Good morning and welcome to a new inbox. Today we're going to look at the Renault Alpine A110, part number 58591. Take it away. Okay, here we have the box. It's looking good. Nice picture. Not like the new boxes, the black boxes with the stickers. Here you can see a really nice picture. This comes on the MO6 chassis. The S version, the short version, 210 millimeters. Yeah, looks really nice, really nice. Yes, here you can see the width is 138 and the height is 121. This came out in, I think, early 2014, maybe January or February. Okay, here you have an overview of the chassis, rear motor, and rear wheel drive, option parts, nice aluminium parts, motor mounts, and here you have springs and something. Yeah, okay, let's open. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here we have the manual for how to cut, how to mask, how to paint, how to put on the stickers, the bumpers and the headlights. Yeah, looks good. Nice kit so far. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here we have some plastic bags. Looks like shocks and body mounts and yeah, some other parts, bumpers, maybe something for the steering. Okay, here is the main chassis, plastic chassis. Yeah, looks okay. Okay, another plastic bag, and this is maybe some chassis parts, maybe some damper towers, maybe, or something for the electronics. I don't know. Okay, another plastic bag, something more for the chassis. Yeah, black plastic and some spacers and something for the Okay, here we have the motor mounts. Here, okay, plastic, not aluminium. Something for the gearbox, maybe. The hex. Okay, another box. I don't know, maybe for, yeah, here is the uprights and some other spacers and maybe, yeah. Okay, another one here. Chassis parts, something for the steering. Yeah. Okay, okay. Then we have the parts bag, the A, B, and C bags, and with the bushings and the screws and the nuts and there's the springs for the shocks. Here's some servo saver. The motor is just a standard silver can 540 servo saver, yes. Okay, look at the tires. Different color on the plastic bags. I don't know why. Maybe different softness or hardness. It's the D60 tires, I think. They're pretty okay. Yeah. Okay, then we have all the mounts for the lights. Yes, the headlights here. Wow, they look great. Nice shiny headlamps. And the bumpers, maybe it's a two-piece bumper, looks like. And the wheels, the rims, yeah, it looks good. Same width, not wider in the back. No, no, it looks the same. Okay, okay, look at the body. Wow, yeah, it looks really nice. The body mount holes are already finished. There for the bumpers and the headlights, fenders here. Oh, I don't know if maybe mirrors. I don't know. Then we have the rear lights and the bumpers goes there. Yeah, hope it's easy to cut. I don't like cutting cutting the body. Okay, let's check out the paperwork. Okay, here we have some information about the radio and maybe some steering things. Yeah, looks like that. Okay, and the main manual for the MO6 chassis. This is the short version, 210. I haven't built many of those. Maybe 3, 4. Looks much better than the TT01 or TT02 or the other boring chassis. That looks great. Maybe you need to upgrade the dampers or something. Okay, here is the stickers. Nice Monte Carlo 1971, Marrakesh. Okay, Renault Alpine. Okay, here we have the masks for the windows for the painting. Okay, that's all. See you later, guys.